good with that? They have maybe one of the best names ever for an improv team that I've heard. Please welcome 37 Puppies!
Welcome everyone, we are 37 Puppies, and to get started we just want to talk with someone about a pet that means a lot to them. It can be a pet from now, from your past.
I've got one.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Veronica.
Hi Veronica, I'm Kristen.
Hello. Hi, Kristen. Yeah.
What kind of pet?
Dog. A dog. Many dogs. I grew up with dogs.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that made me think of my dog Fantasia, who, when you let your 7th grade and 5th grade children name a dog, they are named Fantasia, which gets to be named Fanny because that is the natural dog nickname.
Naturally.
So Fanny.
How old were you when you got Fanny?
Yeah, probably 7th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade.
And did you name Fanny or?
It was a co-decision with my sister.
What's your sister's name?
Marika.
Marika. Okay, and what can you tell us about Fanny? What made Fanny special? Why'd you decide to name her Fantasia?
So I'm not really sure. I mean, obsession with Fantasia 2000 because that came out and so that was fun. But the memory that I have of Fantasia is actually when she was old, and she I guess maybe not old, but she would get really bad allergies, and so we would give her Benadryl, and she would just sit there and then fall asleep while she was sitting there, and we kind of watched her tip from the Benadryl. It was very sweet and very sad.
I imagine. Now, what was the dynamic like between you and your sister with Fantasia?
I don't know. I mean, we both kind of I'm pretty proud of how we named her together. I think that says a lot.
Yeah. Did you guys take care of her together too?
We probably didn't take care of her much at all. I think my parents did most of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where was this? Where did you grow up?
Colorado.
Colorado? Cool.
I feel good.
Feel good?
Last
Alright.
question, do you know what kind of dog Fantasia was?
She was a mutt. She was all the things. Yeah.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Well, I always thought that we were Scots-Irish, but 23andMe is saying that we're all the things.
That's not satisfying.
I know.
That's not gonna be proud of us if we're all the things. It means we're nothing.
We've got to try another one. Forget that file. We had Ancestry.com's got to have answers, right? Okay.
I really want Dad to like us for what we are. I want him to know that we proudly represent the lineage. And we are just one thing. We're just the Howard family.
Well, I just looked at the Howard family and it's telling us, okay, Portuguese, okay, that's good. Oh, French, German, Scottish, Japanese, Maori?
Stop it!
Oh, how are my little Howards?
Dad!
Hey, you're single dad, just one.
Yeah. Yeah,
And we look just like you and we love you.
completely like you, Dad.
Just like me.
Yeah.
We're the only thing there is.
We are. You know, today in school, I got an A+ on my math test just like you.
And that's the only score we get, right, Howard?
Of course, that's the only story we get.
I am obsessed with this movie, Mom. Cars 3 is the best one yet.
It is. I know how much you love your cars.
Yeah.
What's the red one's name?
Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen. Yes.
Right.
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. His arch rival is Chick Hicks, who I don't know what you heard. I heard that the writers in Cars 4 are gonna kill Cars 5, he wasn't dead the whole time. It was the bad crap.
Oh, I don't know. Sorry, I can't have you know. That's too much.
You just get rid of everything I love because all the things I love end up dying.
Well, yeah. I'm protecting you. Because I'm your mother. When I was a little girl and I watched Bambi, it destroyed me. So if I know that there's a movie and someone's gonna get hurt, I
What
can't.
happened to Bambi?
Oh God, have you seen this?
Mom, that's in the old pile of DVDs. Mom, I'm gonna put it in. I'm
No,
gonna skip to the
Charlie, don't. Charlie. Don't.
What? Fine. I'll put on a nice movie. You know what? This will get a picture of a dog. Yeah, just an old yellow.
Oh God!
Okay, kids, I bet you're wondering why Mom's not here right now. She's in the hospital. You guys are gonna have a little sister, and I thought that together we could come up with suggestions for the name of your new little sister.
I didn't know she was pregnant.
She's been bulging for a while. I promise. She stopped coming out.
Is she a very little sister? Because we didn't see it.
Yeah, so she'll be really little. Yeah, because she's gonna be a newborn. And
Ring.
Okay. We were seeing names, so I want you guys to come up with some names together. Hello.
Ronald, where the hell are you?
Okay, I'm sorry. The kids are gonna name our child. We thought this was a good group family decision. Responsibility. Okay, I'm coming. Is it now?
Ronald, I'm at the hospital. Of course it's now.
Okay, I'm coming with the kids. Okay, we're going to the hospital right now. Come.
Oh, honey, that was fast.
Yeah, the hospital is on the street.
It's right there, across my flat.
Your little sister is just born.
Already?
Well, we should think that you guys should help us name her. This is a family decision.
You guys had 9 months to plan this. Is it
How about Tiffany?
Tiffany?
Tiffany.
Tiffany, I thought you guys would be excited about this because
She's already growing hair.
Tiffany's too long. We're just gonna have to go with something short.
Tip? Tits.
Friend. Alright. You know, I really like it when they give us the Xanax, so let's try to just make some mess. Because I think we need, like, something to calm us down.
Yeah,
Are you ready?
I hate this end table. Oh, that felt good.
Sam, where are they?
Hopefully not here because that's gonna smell for a while.
I really want them tonight.
You know, Scruffy, maybe you shouldn't have so much Xanax. I don't know.
I just like the effect it gives me.
Hey, wait, I took less than Xanax. I swear Scruffy and Twinkles are talking.
I took one too.
You hear it? I swear to God, oh, hey. Oh man, somebody spilled lemonade.
Okay, well.
I hate when humans just stop.
Hey Mom, thanks for cooking, but I ordered pizza. Thought you should know. Just, you know, pepperoni seemed like a better idea than tuna casserole.
Okay. Cool. Listen.
It's not that I don't appreciate it, it's...
Ding dong.
I know why you ordered. Just ask her for a number. Didn't see me.
Sorry, bro. I was gonna warn you. Mom's new thing. She's on that huge tuna kick. She's put tuna in everything, man. She put tuna on my laundry just so I can do it. Wait, so
Don't
what?
come with me when I deliver pizza, son.
I gotta. Shit,
Mom, this one's married. I can't get her number. Thanks for the pizza. Here's your tip. Sorry. Sorry, Mom. That one was married. But now we have tuna cheese pizza.
Well, you know, I'm really proud of you for trying.
I'm kind of pissed they messed up my order.
Yeah, it's okay though.
I mean, I was gonna say, like, I appreciate you doing so much for me, so I thought I'd do something for you. And that was ordering pizza, and now we have this.
Well, you know, pizza and tuna casserole, they go really well together.
Don't lie to me. I have failed you again.
Aww.
I'm 25. I dropped out of college. I don't know how to cook. And they messed up my order. It's Papa John's fault, dang it.
Oh, honey, is it Papa John's fault or yours?
Mom, hey, that's not my fault. Yeah, I'm Papa John. I hear every criticism. I heard it.
Hey, brother and sister. I know we don't spend enough time doing things together. So I thought we should just work on that puzzle all together, piece by piece.
That's a great idea. That's a great idea, Wendy. And you know what? We're gonna all get along, and it doesn't matter what happened last Thursday.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what happened last Thursday, because we're just gonna do a puzzle. Because Thursday.
We said we don't talk about last Thursday. What did you just do?
We're not talking about last Thursday.
Last Thursday was in the past.
And we're dry, and that was really wet. And you know what? We are just gonna do this puzzle.
Yes. Piece by piece.
Piece.
It's our siblings' bonding moment. We do something together and we forget about the past.
Exactly. The past that happened, or did it? Who knows? There's a lot of theories in the world today. You know what? We put these puzzle pieces, they're still damp. It's, you know what?
Against me all the time. I told you, all right, I'm 15 and I pee in my bed. What's the big deal?
Hey, you know what? It's okay. We're older. We're 16, all right? We get it. We know what you're going through right now. You know, it happens sometimes. People make mistakes, and okay, I'll get a towel. Okay.
We still love
Don't
you.
look at me.
We still love you.
We still love you. Of course we love you. We would love you no matter what you did. Okay?
You're the one who taught us to start with the corner pieces. That was really, that's why we got as far as we did before the incident.
The incident. Now it's almost like a case file. The history of the family. It's gonna be forever. And everyone's gonna make fun of me at school. I know you guys are gonna talk about it at school. You're telling me you're not talking about it, but you always say like, oh, so many wet jokes. Someone's gonna figure it out.
I'm not really looking for dry humor.
You know, I feel like the hot tub is less fun when I can't see you. Why are you so far back?
Because
Our marriage is in trouble. Is that it?
just this hot tub's a lot to take care of, you know, and when I was growing up, Mom and Dad did it for me. I was like, I want a pool. And then Mom and Dad, like, they cleaned it. I just got to swim. It's like, I want a hamster. And they're the ones that gave it carrots. I just, like, would pet it every once in a while.
You're right. This is a lot. We don't need this hot tub. We don't need this giant yard.
Sweetie, relax with your husband. Okay? It's your father now. Remember, you
Carl.
do everything I tell you.
Carl, not right now, okay?
Dad like that?
This is an important moment. We're discovering something together.
Oh, okay.
Dad, can you fix this?
I think,
I want to listen to my little girl now.
well, she just told me something really wise. Because she's right. We don't need this hot tub. We don't need this yard. We don't need this house. We don't need these jobs. Let's go run away together like we did the first time.
Oh, well, let's say, wait a second there. Honey, you're not going to listen to, now it's time to listen to your dad stay home.
Well, I mean, if you're not gonna pack my suitcase for me, then.
I'll pack the suitcase for you. That's not a problem.
You keep your mitts off for Calvin Klein's suitcase now. I bought you that, remember, sweetie? You'd be able to travel anywhere without me.
We don't need your money, father-in-law. We don't need you. We just need each other and the romance that we had at first, and that's everything.
You just
That's
need
all we
Pops.
need.
Can you just drop the divorce papers for me, Dad?
Why you look so sad? She's divorcing me.
My daughter's going through a divorce. I had no idea.
Neither did I.
This isn't where I thought. Well, I just